Hi, my name's Julie CURPHEY. I work for Blis Technologies. We're based here in Dunedin and we manufacture probiotics for your immunity, particularly the immunity of your health and throat. We are the official wellness partners of the Highlanders and we work pretty closely with the team to provide them with products that keep their immunity as strong as possible and help them reach their fitness and wellness goals. Immunity is a really important topic for elite sports people, but not only elite sports people, for everyone right now, because there's a lot of things that can impact on it. And as we've been in our bubbles, our immunity will have gotten to a point where we're not really being faced with any challenges on a day-to-day basis. But that is going to change pretty quickly as we start to come out of the bubbles. So we've teamed up with the Highlanders to bring you a couple of tricks and tips to keep your immunity as strong as possible and really prepare yourself well to come out of your bubble. First up today is Dr. Singh, the Highlanders team doctor, and he's going to talk to you about sleep and the impact that can have on your immunity.
Hi everyone, my name is Singh. I'm here today to talk about good immunity, and the tips for me is around sleep. Firstly, routine is very important. It's important that going to bed at the same time and waking up at the same time ensures that your immune system is at its best and ensures that your well-being is paramount. Second tip for me is around eating and drinking prior to going to bed. These things are stimulants and can affect your sleep, therefore best avoided. This is along with screen time. Ensuring screen time is minimized just prior to going to bed will ensure that you get a good night's sleep. The last tip for me is around naps during the day. It's important to resist the urge of having naps. This will affect your routine and it will affect the time that you go to bed. That's all from me, and thanks for watching.